Now let's look at this figure 23-4 that deals with the show window lighting load that's outlined in NEC 220.43a. Now notice in the show window callout, to get our values and percentages, we look at 220.43a and 230.42a1. So one, to determine how to calculate the show window load to be used with a service, 230.42a1. And this is lighting load still number 1, but we're looking at the show window in that lighting load number 1. We just looked at the general purpose. Now notice we have a 100-foot length of show window lighting. In accordance with Article 100, it's a continuous load, 3 hours or more. And you know, we have an NEC loop to calculate the outlets, if you wanted to, that would go in that show window in our figure 14-22. You notice we keep these figure loops going so that you just keep going to each figure that would help you with the show window, whatever you're figuring. Now, to calculate the show window load, step 1, 230.43a, we take 200 VA times 100 foot, we come up with 20,000. But this is a commercial show window, and it's going to be used at continuous. In other words, it's going to be burning all night long commercially. So we take 20,000 times 125%, 25,000. And the show window load would naturally be in the solution 25,000 VA. Now remember, it's important now to apply this 125% rule whenever applicable because of the reduction of the VA rating in our table 220.12 that has taken place in this 2020 NEC edition. So this figure 23-4 is illustrating the procedure to calculate the show window lighting load in accordance with the NEC 220-43A, and that's what the user of the NEC must do.